Time for the hot topics, folks. You, Mama.
Boy, 2020 has really been a year of hard knocks. We are again sending condolences to a family of musical royalty, the Brodie family, and the passing of musician Dalton Brodie, who apparently passed away on the weekend. The renowned guitarist apparently suffered a massive heart attack 2 Saturdays ago. He was admitted to the University Hospital of the West Indies. He was scheduled to undergo a quadruple bypass surgery. According to the Gleaner, the surgery was performed on Thursday. One quote here from someone close to the family: he did the surgery and we were all hoping that he would have been on the road to recovery, but his heart just wasn't up to it. It's just so sad. And so we send our love this morning and our thoughts to the Brodie family and the passing of Dalton. Such a rough year.
Yeah.
Such a rough year.
Zan smiles so often. They say the go-to guitarist for a number of
bands.
Yep,
and it is really a shame.
Next one.
Go on, sir. What happened?
Sir Sean Connery, James Bond, dies at 90 years old. Apparently he was suffering from dementia, which I didn't know. He was living in the Bahamas. They say he died peacefully in his sleep, having been unwell for some time. Those words coming from his son. He was the first James Bond, was he? And the first one who part of it, if not all of it, was shot here in Jamaica.
Quite a bit of it, yeah.
Back in 1962. Not the only James Bond to be shot in Jamaica, but that was the first one. And he was not only James Bond, he was an outstanding actor in many other different movies. And I can remember watching the one that he was October, what is it? It was a submarine captain.
Hunt for Red October.
Red October. No, the Hunt for Red October. That's the name of it.
You know that me just say? Where here?
No, I didn't hear. I was them talking to me. All right, so yeah, later on we'll be talking a little more, maybe a lot more, about Sean Connery.
All right, we're learning about a big COVID cluster. Missionaries of the Poor charity. It is just a shame. 74 cases recorded now. Less than 2 weeks after a clutch of coronavirus cases emerged at an elder care home in Kingston, another cluster of 74 infections has broken out at Faith Center, the Catholic charity in the capital. This charity is headed, of course, by Father Richard Holong. It is really sad to hear. I hope they'll be able to contain it and that everyone will be well. But that is the situation as it is.
All right, another housing success story in St. Anne. Struggling father overjoyed with gift of house. Franklin Bodden could hardly express his feelings. 2 weeks ago, he was gifted a 2-bedroom house in Runaway Bay, thanks to the effort of the Runaway Bay Community Development Council. He and his 2 daughters, 4 and 5, have somewhere decent to live. That's fantastic. That's fantastic. World Bank consultant raps justices for being out of touch with fishing laws. Whoa, there you go. We're running out of time.
Yeah, I think we can go to.
We have to go to
break now.
I think we have to do the hurricane, I'm told.
2020 hurricane season shows the dangers of climate change. Tropical storm Eta, we thought would have gotten more, but I guess we did not, even though I'm reading reports of the fact that she may go where she's going and then whap it back. I don't know how that works, but tying record for most named storms in a season at 28. So instead it's showing dangers of climate change, which some people still think is not real. If you can see what's going on now and think it's still not real, I don't know what to say. together at this point.
And my today's weather said rain today, rain tomorrow, rain and thunderstorm Wednesday, rain Thursday, rain Friday, rain Saturday, rain Sunday, rain Monday, rain next Tuesday with thunderstorms, and rain next Wednesday, according to my little app. MasterCard plans money transfers in Jamaica 2020. All right, what's coming up?
Still to come, 5 Sean Connery movies we all love, and we vibe with the NDTC in our Smile Rewind. But first, here's news in 5.